Some 16 Jamaican athletes have been named to represent the country at the World Indoor Championships coming up next weekend, with Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Shericka Jackson heading the list. Now, we said all of that to reignite the debate as to how much of a world event is the World Indoor Championships. Is a World Indoor gold medal a real gold medal, or is it a watered-down gold medal? When we're talking about legacy and achievements, when an athlete tabulates major achievements and international medals won, they look at Olympic medals and World Championship medals. Do they include World Indoor medals? Remember now, for indoor events, the entire structure and dynamics are different. The track is shorter, more corners, less straightaways, no wind readings. It is a totally different kettle of swim around. For me, indoor track events are not world events. Indoor medals are more in the league of Commonwealth, or Pan Am, or CAC medals, kind of like second tier or even third tier medals. Indoor events are really preparation events. So if the World Indoor Championships want to be accepted as a real world event, they must move it outdoors.